In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in WordPress Elementor. By the end, you'll understand how to get your site ready so you can place PDFs directly on the pages you design with Elementor. First, make sure you can use plugins on your WordPress site. On WordPress.com, plugin access requires an eligible paid plan. If you're on a plan that doesn't support plugins, you'll be prompted to upgrade before continuing. It's also a good idea to have your PDF file prepared ahead of time. Keep the file name simple, compress it if it's large, and confirm you have permission to publish it. Start by signing in to your WordPress.com dashboard and opening the plugins area. This is your central place for discovering and managing add-ons that extend your site's functionality. If you're using a self-hosted WordPress install, you'll find the plugins section in your site's admin menu as well. Either way, we're heading to the same destination, the place where you can search for and add Elementor. Once you're in the plugins section, use the search bar and type Elementor. You're looking for the official page builder plugin. Elementor will let you design pages visually, and that's where you'll later place your PDF, so visitors can view it in line instead of downloading it blindly. When you locate the plugin, check that it's the official one, look at the active install count and recent updates, and confirm compatibility with your version of WordPress. A quick glance at these details helps you avoid conflicts and ensures a smoother setup. Choose the Elementor plugin and proceed to install and activate it. On WordPress.com, if you see a notice that your plan doesn't support plugins, follow the prompt to upgrade. That upgrade unlocks plugin management and is required before you can continue. After activation, give your site a quick refresh and verify that the Elementor menu is now visible in your dashboard. If you use a caching plugin or server cache, clearing it can help new features appear immediately. With Elementor active, you're ready to embed a PDF on any page you build with the page editor. At this point, you can design a page, add your content, and place your PDF so visitors can view it without leaving the page. For best results, keep PDFs optimized for fast loading. Provide a descriptive title or caption so visitors know what they're viewing, and preview your page on mobile to confirm the document is readable on smaller screens. That's it. Your site is set up to embed PDFs with Elementor, and you're ready to present documents in a clean, user-friendly way.